we have an outhouse. Today on the 8.5, we're going to be picking up this outhouse and putting it together so that it's easy to drag it through the snow. So stay tuned, come along for the ride and see what it's like to drag a toilet on skis. Today we are picking up a porta potty for the property. Gotta have somewhere to go when you need to go. So it is cold, it is windy. It's not a great day for it, but it's gotta be done. So we're doing it today. So here we are, sorry about the wind, all loaded up, strapped down, ready to go. So I have to say, having this huge, I don't know how big it is, it's got to be like 4 feet wide by like 7 feet tall, and it is so windy driving right now, and it is absolutely kicking me around like crazy. Don't normally have something that has that much wind resistance in the back of the truck. So won't be able to get it into the bush today, onto the property. I'm going to hold off and do it another day. So we're gonna get this offloaded, everything. So we're supposed to have some decent weather coming up here soon, so we'll postpone until then. Today is the day we drag the outhouse into the property so that I guess it makes it a little bit more comfortable. We strapped a couple GT snow racers to the bottom of the outhouse to make it a little bit easier. It's going to be quite the endeavor, I think, trying to drag this thing in. The GT's worked really well. The blue one, well, it's seen better days, but awesome, absolutely awesome. So we got her all done up, right beside the first tree that's gonna come down. So I just need everyone to remind me when I come back here next time, I gotta remember toilet paper. I totally forgot the toilet paper.
the most important thing and the whole reason for the outhouse is toilet paper, and I forgot that. A little more comfort. So a little bit more comfort on the property now, which is awesome, especially for the missus and the kids, which will be fantastic. You can see the bush that we dragged this thing through. The GTs worked absolutely fantastic. So props to GT snow racers for that. I don't know what they're like to be brand new, but I guess I'll have to replace those at some point. Anyways, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of the future videos.